next in the face of so much pressure, immense pressure at the state level. They are still standing strong for the party. As we sit here, we are 28 of us with some apologies. That shows you how dedicated, how committed these men are to the cause of our party. Mr. Chairman, esteemed members of NEC, I want to reassure you once again of our commitment to this cause, of our commitment to this group, of our commitment to the leadership of our national chairman, Turaki SAN. We believe it's a fight between light and darkness. Yeah. We believe one man cannot sit in his bedroom and write the names of members of the National Technical Committee of our great party. There's a reason why it is called the People's Democratic Party. Absolutely. You must have consultation. You must be more people on that table when you are sharing those positions. And here we are. Just one person, or maximum 2 people, giving us a list of members of the National Working Committee of our great party. Will you allow that to happen? Never. And now we hear they said they are going for a convention. Which convention? When did we decide that we are going for a convention? Who agreed to go to that convention? So for us, at the level of the state chairman, I want to assure you that we go nowhere, that we will stick with you, we will be with you, no matter what happens, no matter what is going on, we will make sure that we stand by you. Thank you very much and God bless you.